Rubik is again back on episode, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Rubik's Cube. In Minecraft, just model, not functioning. So, first, we're going to need all the following. And maybe some grass blocks to fill in some holes that I break. So, we're going to need black stained clay, lime stained clay, yellow stained clay, red clay, you get it, orange, red, orange, white, blue. Okay, so first we're going to start off by doing the green part. So we're going to build 5 blocks, like so. And then in the middle, we're going to build a 3x3 thing like so. Now that is your first part of your Rubik's Cube. Now outline it with black stained clay, as you can see. And then you continue like so, and then build 4 blocks out from this divider, and then there. So there's regularly 3 cubes per line right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then like that. You can also use green, but for my Rubik's Cube right here, it's green. It's mostly more lime-ish color in Minecraft. So, yeah. So that is our first layer. So we're going to build. And then over here too. And over here. And then outline it with black clay. There we go. I'm going to finish this top layer and I'll be right back. As you can see, this is what it looks like to finish the first side. Now, you gotta build like this, get ready for the top, and I'm gonna change it back to night. Day. I can't see my commands, but I know what to type now. I'm getting better! So as you can see, I built 1 line of black stained clay right there, but we're not gonna start on the top that soon. So, I'm going to build like so. As you can see the outline. No wait, you don't. Oops. Do you? Alright, we're starting off really rusty here. But we do need the top, I guess. So, we do need it. Okay, as I was saying, this is red, so I'm gonna put that there. I don't know how much. Alright, boom. You can see, like that. I'll fill this back in. I'll be right back. So yeah, you get it. So I realized when I was building that we don't need to build it. So like we don't need to build a line there, and we don't need to build another line. So you could just directly put it there. So let's say you finish the green part or whatever color you want it to be. And then there's your corner. And then you can just build red on the corner. And then same on this corner, and that corner, and this corner that we're gonna make. Okay, I'm gonna need to move it like that. Alright, So yeah, I don't want you to sit through boredom of me building something that will take pretty long. So I just don't want you to see all this, but I guess we could talk a little bit, maybe something, I don't know. The reason I haven't been posting videos lately, same thing for other stuff, other announcements or stuff, but this time I'm announcing it on the video because I don't want to repeat myself on just a single video. That's just gonna be a waste of time. But whatever. So we have built 3 of our sides. So if we look at it at an angle, it looks finished, doesn't it? Don't you think? But when we look at from this angle, it's not finished. We might want to add some torches because it's complete darkness. Well, not now, but okay, let's just add some torches. Torch. There. Now I'm happy. Okay. So let's start off with the orange side. So again, 4 blocks for each. 4, 4. And then here it goes up. And then we're building orange. Okay. I think I have the wool in order. So yeah, I'll be right back for the finished product. Unless I realize a mistake. So yeah. Okay, so to make the bottom, it's pretty simple. So we just need to dig down right here. You just need to dig all of this, everything. I'm gonna put a torch there because it's kind of dark. And let's do this. I wish we had /1. It would be nice. But we just don't. I like building on servers because I actually don't know why I like building on servers. Hopefully you can see in this brightness. If not, then I'll just increase it. I'm just gonna drink a night vision potion. Or I'm just gonna splash it on. Well, I'm gonna keep it in my inventory. So, at the bottom, we have white. So, it's pretty simple. That's all you need to do. As you can see, it's really simple. So you need to build the white cubes and the black outlining. It's just like the walls, but nobody can see this. Nobody will, because they won't know unless they dig through it. But they're not allowed in my plot, so yeah. Oh yeah, now I remember why. Because people can see my buildings and you can see my buildings, so there's more people to see my buildings. But I don't know if they're gonna come to my plot anytime soon. But there you go, that's the bottom, everybody. It's actually night, but I drank night vision. So yes, it's like daytime. It's like the brightest time of daytime. So I'm just gonna right back again, I guess. There you go, iron glass. press block. Alright, we're back, and that's a finished product. You can see the finished product from all angles now, wink wink, including underground, or inside, I guess. So, here is the inside, very bright once you have night vision, and it also looks like a spider when you actually look at this way, because like there's the body, and then there's the legs, and then the legs are extended down over here. So yeah, let's play tic-tac-toe. Well, like, why not? I call first. Alright, there's my X right there. There, we were playing tic-tac-toe, X and O's, whatever. That you teleport to them. Not yet, mate. But yeah, that's gonna do this. As I like that, and press the like button with your finger like a boss, and I'll see you in our next video. Peace out.